Good morning, guys. Did you see the market cap jump on Bitcoin? Absolutely insane on this drop. I'm going to show that to you guys in today's video and some other really bullish signs. We're going to go over the emotional index, long versus short trades, market cap strength, the trades in favor, the well and institutional smart money, support resistance prices, dollar cost average entries, and then we're going to go over and end ourselves today with a trade setup. Guys, speaking of trade setups, we are currently at 122 wins and 1 loss. I'll update this when we have another win here so I can actually show a win to loss ratio here. But the loss we took was on Luna, okay? Guys, let's dive in and let's just get deep into the analysis because I think we're going to have a fun week. Last week was terrible. The last week and a half has been terrible for you guys, for me too. A lot of us lost a lot of money or we're in drawdown, but this is looking better. Trend dashboard. Retail traders this morning, guys, are waking up, and yes, we're still below the 50, 100, 200 moving averages on the daily time frame. I'm going to start on the daily here today, guys. We're still below these. So is the overall market still looking to sell? You know, I would think that, but there's a lot of bullish signs heading into the market now that I'm going to show you this morning. Take a look and make sure you guys have these indicators in the description. You guys have 15 days left, and we're going to be upping the price of these, okay? They're 84% off. I'll do a pop-up at the bottom left of the screen here so you guys can see that. Here's what you need to watch. What's happening with the well money flow? The green line is well money flow, and if you turn this back on, this is price. You guys can see this under the style. So if you guys click the settings icon, go to style, you'll see well money flow and price. Click off price. I want to just look at well money flow. And then down here we have the trend exhaustion, literally showing us when the trend of crypto is exhausted from going up, you need to start looking for moves back down. Okay, let's correlate these together right now. What we're looking at is we have well money flow very low. We've come from a drastic time of selling for wells, which has dropped the price. We can all see that. It's correlated perfectly here. When wells start buying, what would you expect to happen with the price? You would expect for it to move up. Okay, what happens when wells are buying? You would expect for it to move up. Great, we all have that. Now, how do you use this to predict the next moves? Well, the interesting thing about this is if you guys actually watch this, this shows an actual calculated range here from the bottom to the top. So it actually literally predicts when wells are about to sell and when they're about to buy even more, which is how when we get up here and they're done buying, we can predict at previous levels that the market is going to see a drop back down because wells are done buying and they're looking to sell into their positions, okay? And then when the market is dropping and they're selling, this also means that wells are going to be looking to start buying again. And so the market starts moving back up at these levels here. They are the two most accurate indicators you will ever use to look at what wells are doing. And they'll work on stocks, cryptos, and Forex indices, whatever you guys want to use, okay? Now that you know that, what is it telling us today and moving into this week for May 16th and forward? We're seeing that the well money flow is low. When it's been down here before, you guys need to see, well, what has happened? The market has started to see moves back up here. It started to see moves back up there and moves back up here. I really believe, I've been telling this to you guys before, this is a time where the wells are going to start looking to buy again in the market and you're going to start seeing moves back up. I want to just show this to you even more with the metrics, but I want to show this to you guys first. Trend exhaustion is showing us that the trend, the actual structure of price, is really low. And when it's low like this is where you need to start watching for moves back up. And when you can time the well money flow low and trend exhaustion low, this is when you start seeing moves back up very fast, okay? The first place we need to watch for, everyone needs to watch for this week, is a move up and a slamming into the resistance and the ascending resistance at right about $36,000, okay? 36,000 puts us at structure resistance, structure. It also puts us at an ascending resistance line. So this spot right here, I'm gonna just draw like a pressure point for us here. And if you guys can all watch this, right at this area right here is where everyone needs to be watching all their trades. It's right at this level at $36,000 for Bitcoin, where we'll most likely see another move back down. Now, what's going to happen when we get there? Trend exhaustion getting the top red section, well money flow getting high. I guarantee you guys will see this, and you're going to look up here, and you're probably going to see another move back down. But until then, this is money making time. Seriously, guys, this is money-making time. So make sure you guys are watching these and get in here and watch what's happening with the markets with the indicators. It's really fun. Go to the different time frames. Look at all of it. It's a blast. Okay, I want to move us now into the actual metrics over here. The emotional index and all of our metrics will update at 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. We are sitting in the fearful and anxious section. Coming out of fear is where bull markets happen, guys. Coming out of fear. It's when retail traders are done selling because they don't have anything left to sell. And so Wells can't actually end up buying more of your guys' liquidity on sales because you can't sell anymore because you've lost all your accounts. Does that make sense? The market's going to turn around here because the whales don't care if it goes down any further, I think, on a majority altcoins, because you guys already lost a ton on altcoins and you don't have anything else to sell. They need you guys to be selling a ton in order to put billions of dollars into the market. So that's where reverses happen. It's the market saying, okay, I think we've actually liquidated all retail traders. Let's get our money back into the market working for us. Let's get retail traders excited and start pumping this back up. Now, do you guys see this formation right here? This was what's called a double bottom in crypto, and we saw a massive move back up. I'm not going to get super aggressive on this analysis here, guys. Sorry, let me go back in here, just reloading the chart. I'm not going to get super aggressive here, but you guys do need to just see this. We are at a double bottom. So this could have the potential, as it has already shown us in the past, to move to structure high or even higher. The last time this happened, let me give you guys a date range of how fast this actually happened. Looking at the double bottom, we may go sideways for a little bit, but this took us about 173 days, okay, just over 6 months. So by the end of this year, I think a realistic projection is we could actually start seeing us starting to hit all-time highs again at $70,000. But again, this is not a 15-day prediction or a 1-month prediction. We're talking about the end of 2022. So definitely hear me. I'm not, moon boying this thing right now. You need time. First thing we need to look at is that resistance. Watch this. Okay, short trades completely dropping out of the market, crashing while long trades are still elevated. Look for a second on Ethereum. We are seeing Bitcoin and Ethereum pairing up here, and short trades are absolutely crashing right now in the market for both of these. This is a very, what is it, guys? It's a very bullish sign. So this is what we're watching for, and this is where we're going to start seeing the market turn around, because there's no pressure on the market going down anymore. Guys, the short trades are done. You can see this over here. People are not confident that Bitcoin's going to keep heading down. Looking at this over here, guys, look at this market cap jump. This is hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of millions of dollars coming into Bitcoin again, and it happened on the drop. This is incredibly bullish. Guys, this is incredibly bullish. The last time this happened over here was when price structure moved down and market cap moved up like this in the same, I would say, the same pace. Okay, that was a precursor to a massive move in Bitcoin, which could be what's coming in the next 1, 2, 3 weeks. When I say these are the best times to buy, guys, like this is seriously the best time to be buying. Watch these metrics and get our membership so you can watch this every day. Because if you're in the market right now and you're like, oh, I just think it's going to crash. Well, let me tell you, short trades are dropping out drastically and market cap's moving up. So there's a lot of institutions and whales who do not agree with you that the market's going to keep crashing because they are buying the dip right now. Okay, stay safe in these markets and watch what the whales are doing. That's why we call them whale metrics over here, okay? I renamed this. It's whale metrics on all these coins. Okay, let me get back to what we're talking about. All right, let's look at this. Looking at trades in favor, we're still in a good long trade area. So if you guys are like, man, I wonder what I should be taking down here. Should I be taking short trades or long trades? Guys, this one metric is going to keep you so much safe in crypto. Guys, when you wake up in the morning and you're like, I'm excited, Travis. I got my dopamine rush this morning. I'm drinking my coffee. I want to take a trade. All I want to tell you guys is, can you please just look at the metrics before you start if you want to make more money? Guys, this is going to show you guys, if you are closer down into the good long trade areas, the amount of favor you have for the market to go up is a lot higher. When you're in good short trade or great short trade territory, this is when the market has a lot greater chance of heading back down in your favor for shorts, out of your favor for longs. So waiting for this to get to a good long trade down here, this will help you guys gain profit faster on your trades. Now, well, institutional smart money, look what they're doing. They've been buying this thing all the way back down. And you can see this over here, how long trades have been increasing. It makes sense. Long trades were increasing, buying the dip. Market cap is going up, buying the dip. Wells and institutions are buying the dip, guys. These are all bullish signs that the market's going to be looking to head back up this week. And what's the target price this week? If we really get bullish, everyone needs to watch $36,000. That's going to be the next place, so I'm definitely watching for a drop back down. I'll show you guys how to get into trade setup right now so you can trade this. Support and resistance prices. Looking for this, 36,000. There you guys go. It's a strong resistance of structure. It's also a strong ascending resistance as well. Ascending resistance here, strong structure as well. Okay, so definitely be watching that, guys. $36,000. Probably gonna say it a few more times here. Okay, dollar cost average entries. You guys got a great entry here. Guys, if you're holding for 5 to 10 years, you're doing great. This is just for people who are like, look, I want to get a good entry. I want to get into the markets. Guys, look at what happened on Ethereum for you guys who are following these metrics. Probably one of the best entries that have ever come out on our channel. You guys literally got in right at the bottom here before this market moved back up. This is insane. Make sure you guys have these metrics. They're in the description, okay? One more thing I want to go over, and I want to show you guys how to get into a trade setup. The 200 moving average. Watch this, guys. When this white line price moves back up here, it is going to slam into the 200-day moving average. This will act as a very strong resistance. Okay, so definitely be watching that. Let's get you guys into a trade setup. This is how we have won 122 wins and only taken one loss, which was on Luna because the market crashed and it came unpegged. Okay, pretty good win rate. Still the highest win rate we can find on YouTube. Watch this. You guys are going to be looking at entering 4 different positions. Now, some of you guys are like, why spread our money out so far? Here's the reason, guys. Do you know for a fact right now, watching this video, if Bitcoin is not going to go down any further? You do not know that. And please just be honest with yourselves. Yes, our metrics in here are looking bullish. And if I had to flip a coin here and say, are we going bullish or bearish this week? I would absolutely pick bullish. I'm not going to deny the metrics. They've been right too many times. But this is why we use risk management. Let's say you've got $1,000 you want to enter in with, split it into 4 equal portions, 4 portions at each buy limit, 250, 250, 250, 250. Okay? These are algorithmically placed on the charts here, guys, with incredible precision accuracy. Literally, I need you guys to enter this down to the cent. There's a reason why, and I'll try to do it in another video. Explain. I've already done it on YouTube, but guys, literally, these are algorithmically placed in here at the best levels of support. Fibonacci retracements, percentage-wise, they're spread out incredibly well. All right. Once you have your first buy limit hit, which will most likely probably happen today or tomorrow, just flexing up and down here. Or guys, if you feel like, look, Travis, I think this is going to move back up fast, go ahead. If you've got, $1,000, split it into 4 equal portions, or if we're really low and you guys only want to use the first 3 buy limits, that's fine. You can market order in right now with a buy limit. So instead of seeing this buy limit price here and saying, I want to wait for that price to get hit, you can just enter in the market right now with 33%. Put 33% of this buy limit and 33% here. This will give you very good risk management in case we go back down. Don't convince yourself you're not going back down. It's over. Don't do it anymore, guys. Don't ever do this again. Don't ever say again in the markets, and I'm doing this to save you guys a lot of money. Don't ever say, I know for a fact it's going to be going up, or I know for a fact this is the bottom. You do not know that. You don't. So you have to give yourself risk management at the end of the day over everything else. You have to, okay? If the market goes back down, because there is still a potential Bitcoin could hit $20,000. It's absolutely possible, guys. You want to have risk management in here. Okay, I know I've beat that to a dead horse, but I'm passionate about that because we've saved traders a ton of money. And guys, one of the reasons why we haven't lost all of our money in crypto and we're at 82,000 out of 150,000, while most people lost everything, it's because of the risk management we used on this channel. And we've saved people literally millions of dollars because they followed what we taught on this channel. So please, guys, we are risk management first, and then we're looking at profits. It's how it has to be. It has to be that way. Or you're going to get Luna situations and other coins where you're just going to lose a lot of money because you didn't use any risk management. Okay. Telegram channel. Once you guys are entering into this trade, and this setup is on every one of our coins, follow me in Telegram. Okay. The Telegram access is right up here. If you guys click this right there. Okay. The pricing to get into our membership, all of this is just $95 a month. Okay, all the well metrics for every coin you're going to get, the entries and exits over Telegram, all the master classes, the community chat where you get to chat with other members. And this Thursday, I'm going to be going live in Zoom for all of you guys. We're all going to get together as a family. We're going to talk about these markets, and I'm going to do an open Q&A session to let you guys ask me questions about the markets, and we're all going to look at this together. This Thursday, get a membership. If it's for nothing but just getting in and getting into that chat there, you guys will learn so much, and you guys are also going to get access to all the well metrics, and then you guys just get access to all the master classes that I've literally taught hundreds of millions and billion-dollar hedge funds. Literally in the master classes. There you guys go. They're right there. And then the inner circle, you guys can click here. Last but not least, Bitcoin's looking strong. What else? The other thing that's looking strong is our indicator sell over here, guys. We literally have 84% off all of our indicators, all the indicators until the end of May. Just so you guys know, it's the cheapest price you guys can get our indicators. The cheapest price, okay? May sale ends the 31st of May at 5 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. That's it, okay? You have 15 days left. The 3 indicators you really want are these right here to copy my charts. All of our scalping strategies, we use these 2 indicators right here. It's how I made $300 or 30% in an hour. Okay, I came out with that on Telegram post. So again, Telegram, we post stuff in Telegram, we don't post on YouTube. Definitely be in the Telegram channel, okay? Also, when you guys click this, you need to enter coupon code Save Money. It's really fun to enter coupon codes. I personally really like to do it because it's fun to see the price go down. But once you guys click this, it's in the description as well. Click this, enter coupon code Save Money, and you'll get all of our indicators, all 9 of them, plus 2 Forex indicators and 1 jackpot indicator is what we call this one. Use it responsibly. And you guys will get the source codes as well. So snag this today. It is the best deal you guys are going to get on all of our indicators, and the prices will be going up. Mark my words, guys. I will raise the price of this. You have 15 days left. Snag them now, okay? And the membership, definitely get in here because we're going to be going live on Zoom, and you guys are going to be able to track what the whales are doing, as well as the master classes to help you guys become literally, I guarantee you guys, I can help take you guys from just brand new traders to pro traders of their knowledge with the master classes if you just watch that. I guarantee it because I've already ran people through it, and I'm even having some huge hedge funds right now going through the master classes, and they're learning a lot in there. So make sure you guys watch that. Okay. I love you guys. Have an amazing week. God bless you guys so much. It's looking bullish in the market. And I'm just looking for, again, what's the level this week, guys? Remember this. It's 36,000. So when you see 36,000 hit, watch for the move back down. But until then, guys, setting up long trades, absolutely the best idea possible. Also getting to scalping trades with our indicators, great idea as well. So all of that you guys can get. Then come over here if you guys want just a little extra. On the front page, here's our 100% winning scalping strategy, okay? It literally has never lost a trade except for Luna, okay? I'm putting this 100% because Luna is absolutely that one. It just came unpegged. Outside of Luna, guys, this has never lost a trade, okay? It literally has never lost a single trade outside of Luna. So make sure you guys are watching this. It is such an incredible scalping strategy. All right, guys, I love you. Have an amazing day, and I will see you guys on the next video. Everything you need is linked in the description. All right, we'll see you guys. Bye-bye.